Hello guys, welcome back to White Noise, and this is game 2 with, of course, Derek and Connor as well. So let's get this started, shall we? 2, 1. Loading. What map are we playing, guys? Oh, this one. Huh? Yeah, what?
Did you like the onion?
Not really.
I can tell.
So if you
I could probably eat them better raw than they are crispy.
if you, as usual, if you like this video and the previous videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you like us, like me and Callum, we're like the main people in this channel. Of course, I'll have my friends and that lot over. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on games such as Minecraft, Call of Duty, and I will be doing a series on this. So don't forget to keep an eye on that one. We would love you all to subscribe. We'd love more people. And yeah, thank you for that quick thing. So let's get this gameplay started. By the way, guys, I'm eating, so.
Possibly. Yeah.
But as usual, these are going to be 10-minute videos in parts, so keep an eye out for the other ones, which we'll be recording. Okay, I'll think about it.
I'll do it with you.
Alright. Just one quick thing, guys. I know this isn't really an update thing, but oh well. Saturday's my birthday, so look out for a crazy video on then, alright?
Yeah, awesome.
Not quite that crazy, Connor. Sorry, we're not going quite that way. But, Foursome's kind of ruled out that one. We can do it off camera, but or a camera for another thing, but don't worry. Yeah, hell yeah.
Looks like you must be sick.
Huh?
Looks like you must be sick.
I was afterwards.
Was you?
Yeah. Basically, if you guys can't hear them very well, I'm sorry about that. But what Connor's saying, if you can't hear them, is that basically I did this onion challenge, and he's just watching that and he's laughing at me about it. Because he's that good a friend. Oh, come on, surely there must be something over here. Yeah, I know. Oh my. What kind of torch have I got? Oh my god!
Hello.
I just tried getting it. I'm eating, so. It's pizza. Yeah. What? That's not me, that's Callum. No, that's the GTA theme. I don't know why you did it. Let's talk about that off camera. Yeah, I told him that, but he didn't.
I like that part. I like that part. I'm not going to trust it. Things like that part. It means and food, fresh, for life.
And also, I said this a couple of videos back, but I'll say it again. Derek also has a channel called Derek and... Is it Jordan Derek or Derek and Jordan? Derek and Jordan. So don't forget to go check that one out. And there he is. And I'm going this way. And subscribe to them. Now, I don't know if they've got any videos up yet, but there will be some in the near future. There better be some in the near future. I just gave you a shout out, mate. No, I'm joking. I love you. No, but there he is. Hi guys. Goodbye. Have fun over there. Stephen wants to play. Stephen the White Collar Monster wants to play. I'm gonna die. Where are you? You're not there. I'm kind of controlling it with my hand at the moment, with my foot actually, because I'm eating with one hand. Behind us. No, I died, no! Okay guys, that's it for this part. As I said earlier in the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you like this video, and you like us, give us a subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you all later. Part 2 will be coming, well, part 2 of this game will be coming up. So, let's get started. Bang! Bye!